Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the refrigerator drain tube on your GE refrigerator. If you need a new refrigerator drain tube for your GE refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Remove the drain tube in the vacuum brake by pulling down gently. Keep some paper towels handy as there may be water in the assembly. Then separate the drain tube from the vacuum brake. If you need to purchase a new refrigerator drain tube, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the vacuum brake to the drain tube and press firmly into place. Then align the tube assembly to the drainage hole in the machine compartment and press until it seats into place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.